Now we are going to solve the question number 13 from the exercise 4a. This is the advanced level question from this exercise. So just first we read the question. The question says, at a famous roti paratha shop, for every two people who order egg paratha, there are five people who order plain paratha. So we have to understand that they are giving us some statement related to the questions, which we need to understand the concept of ratio. So for every two people who order for the egg paratha, there are five people who order for the plain paratha. Now this statement is given, and then we have to find the three parts. The first thing, if a people order egg paratha, how many people order the plain paratha? So the first thing that we know, that we have to write the ratio of the people who are buying the egg paratha and the ratio of the people who are buying the plain paratha. So as per the question, if two people buy the egg paratha, five people buy the plain paratha. Now from question first a part, if a people order egg paratha, so if a people are ordering for the egg paratha, then we have to find how many people are buying the plain paratha. So we write x, that the variable we have to find. So x is actually the thing that we have to find out, our question mark. So you know that the ratios can be written in the form of the fractions. So 2 ratio 5 can be written as 2 over 5, and similarly a ratio x can be written as a over x, and both of these ratios are equal fractions, because if two people are buying the same thing and then a people are buying, so we have to find the x. So both of these fractions are equal, so we write 2 over 5 equal to a over x. We write 2 over 5 from this ratio to a over x to this ratio, and then we cross multiply them, because now we have to find the value of the x. So we have to separate this x, or we have to find the value of x. To finding it, we just cross multiply them. 2 is multiplied this x and the answer is 2x, and 5 is multiplied with the a and the answer is 5a. Now because we have to find the value of this x, so this 2 which is being multiplied on this side of this equation, when it goes to the other side, it when it is reversed, like if it is multiplying on the other side, it will be dividing the number, so it will become 5a over 2. So the answer of the x will be 5a over 2. For the part b, if b people ordering plain paratha, how many people order egg paratha? So the b part says, if the first plain paratha ratio with the egg paratha, again 5 ratio 2, and now b number of people are buying the plain paratha, then how many people would be buying the egg paratha? So first we write in the ratio form. The second step is changing these ratios into fractions, like 5 over 2 is equal to b over x, and then cross multiplying them to change it into the linear form. 5x is equal to 2b, and then separating this x from this 5 by moving it to the other side of the equation. So x is equal to 2b over 5. In C part, if there are total C people in the shop, how many of them order the egg paratha? So first we know that in the question there were some statement like two people are ordering for the egg paratha and five people for the plain paratha, which means that if that there are total seven people, if there are total seven people in the hotel or in the shop, then how many of them was buying the egg parathas? There were two people. So if there are seven people in the hotel, two of them are buying the egg paratha. So in this question, we have to find the ratio of number of people in the shop to the ratio of number of people who are ordering the egg paratha. So 7 ratio 2. And the question is how many of them ordering the egg paratha if there are total C number of people. So if there are C number of people, we have to find the number of people who are buying the egg paratha. So similarly, first change these ratios into fraction form. So 7 ratio 2 becomes 7 ratio 7 over 2, and C ratio 2 changed C over X. Then cross multiply them to change them into linear form, and then calculate the value of this x by moving the 7 to the other side of the equation. So this is how we solved this question. I hope you understand all these questions. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.